Hi everyone, welcome to this concept capsule. The idea is always remains the same, decoding the high-yield concepts in less than a minute. So, today's topic, fetal hydrops. So, what is this? This is a serious condition which is defined as abnormal fluid accumulation in at least two fetal compartments. For example, there could be skin edema, ascites, pleural effusion, or pericardial effusion. Now, fetal hydrops can be classified into two, immune hydrops or the non-immune hydrops. Immune hydrops is usually as a result of Rh isoimmunization, and you can see this in the image. The non-immune hydrops is far more common, and it is caused by abnormalities such as cardiac defects, chromosomal abnormalities, fetal anemia, infections like parvovirus B19 infection, or twin to twin transfusion syndrome. Now, why does it matter or why is it important? Because this could be associated with high perinatal morbidity and mortality. How do you reach the diagnosis? This is made on ultrasound, which shows fluid in multiple compartments. Plus, there could be presence of placentomegaly or polyhydramnios. So, management depends on the cause, and the options include intrauterine transfusion for anemia, treatment of fetal arrhythmias, or planned early delivery in severe cases. So, you must remember that two compartments of fluid imply hydrops, and in these cases, you must act quickly to identify the underlying cause. So that was all for this concept capsule. Thanks so much for listening. Here's a question for you. Thanks so much for listening, and now I shall see you with the next concept capsule. Stay tuned.